Hey all, happy holidays. I just want to come and tell you about a very cool thing that I'm about to do with Logitech G and Best Buy that benefits gamers outreach. So it's the holidays and we all love a good upgrade, right? So we're going to buy something cool and then I'm going to upgrade my own setup a little bit and then gamers outreach is going to benefit when we take a trip to Best Buy after DoorDash brings us the goods. Oh, I wonder what this could be. Hey, so we got our mouse. Thank you to DoorDash, and we're gonna unbox and swap out so we can then recycle our lovingly and gently used G502X and then head out to Best Buy and take this and some other gear to Gamers Outreach and get our 20% coupon on.